Gold and silver so far for the day stayed in a narrow zone. We have seen gold is struggling to stay above 25.20, 25.22 zone, while on the downside 25.10 levels so far have proven out to be good support. See, yesterday we have seen the metal swinging a bit, where 2500 has proven out to be a good support for gold, while $28 levels for silver has again come out for rescue. So what to expect today? Yes, we have some data releases. We have the initial jobless claims from the US and also the PPI data that will also add on to the volatility. And what to expect, how to profit trading gold and silver today, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Usually I update twice a day, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. The subscribe and press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. If you look at the movement in gold, see, first of all, I have mentioned yesterday in my update as well, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Look at the zone here, 25, 30, 32, again proven out to be a wall which needs to be taken off in order to turn bullish. Right now I can see very strong resistance here in gold on the upside, but what is happening here is also you can see higher lows are seen and flat top is seen. So this is a narrowing triangle. Gold needs to break out of this triangle. And in general, if you look at the formation here, the drop, the retracement, and this is the move which it is formed, after that a little retracement. So possibly this could continue, but only selling entry I will recommend is below 2510 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 250405, and then below that $25 levels, 2500 levels. If it breaks 2500, consider that another round of crash or another round of good drop is what you can look forward to. Stochastic at bottom looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell, and this could lead to slight bearishness, but right now it is not yet crossed over. RSI looking downwards as well. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation on the 2 hour charts. Remember this 25-30, multiple attempts to break beyond this. See, whenever you see such formation here, either it requires a strong thrust to break beyond, else what could happen, after hitting multiple times it would always try to reverse, and the reversal could be sharp enough. What is happening here? Yes, it is strike in the zone and now again trying to reverse. See, moving averages have crossed over here. This is a bullish sign here on the 2 hour charts. And if you look at the formation, see, now 25-20, 25-22 zone is what it needs to break in order to stay bullish today. And see, on the downside now till 2510, I will not recommend you to sell. Once it breaks beyond 2510, then you can say it is coming out of the retracement channel and it is going to drop further. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped sharp. The MACD is still bearish on the 2 hour charts. The RSI is running flat, and on the 3 hour chart, see, it is taking support from the 20 period moving average. Also look at these two candles. See, getting a push from the upside suggests that the prices are not willing to stay much bullish. But if you look at the formation, support here, one bullish candle, and then couple of retracement candles. Now if it stays about 25-20, 25-22 zone, you can look forward to another round of rise. That is the only position from where we can expect a rise here. As see, this is forming a support, and once it breaks below this, specifically below 2510, I think we are looking forward to a major down move. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is trading bearish here. This is also trading with divergence. This is also staying bearish here. And see, the divergence here is increasing, which means increasing bearishness. RSI is almost running flat. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts. Yes, I will wait for it to break below 2510, and then we can look forward to 250405 and 2500, 2502 levels. Till 2500, extremely strong supports exist here in gold. Till 2500, we have to be cautious. If you look at the formation here, I have mentioned, see, this is the down move, this is the retracement. After retracing, this is again the down move, this is again a retracement, and now if it breaks, this is going to bring stronger bearish momentum. Stochastic running flat. Look at the MACD, this is crossed over here, trading with moderate divergence and just 2 candles away. So one can expect 2 or 3 candles in succession, but again, only and only if it trades below 2510, you can expect slight bearishness. RSI running flat. Coming to the daily charts. And before we move on to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. In one signals channel, we trade diverse instruments, including multiple indices and commodities from across the globe. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can also find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. It is very important and crucial to have a broker which offers you a safer environment to trade with easier transactions and withdrawals opportunity. So do not miss this. And now look at the daily. On the daily chart, see, first of all, twin bottom here. Also, second observation here is none of the candles closed below 20 period moving average. It is very, very important for the prices to stay below the 20 period moving average. Thus, it is very, very important for gold to trade below 2500 and 2494 zone. That will confirm the bearish move here. As long as it stays above this, we have to be cautious here. We have seen gold taking support here at this zone. Also on the upside, very clear, such is the stronger resistance here. Multiple attempts it is seen to break beyond this, but failing to do so. So once it breaks beyond this, this is also going to bring stronger move here. This breakout is what you should definitely watch out on the upside. And I hope this should not be a fake breakout, because 25 30 32 it can try to break once, but again beyond 25 30 32 is where you can look forward to 25 40 25 50 levels here. Now, so on the downside, we have got the supports intact. Stochastic is rising here. MACD on the daily charts is still bearish. It is looking downwards, and RSI is running flat. So considering this, very simple. Sell at 25.10, 25.12. Rather, I will say sell at 25.10 zone itself, and then expect it to move towards 25.05 and 2500, 25.02 levels. Only and only if gold trades below 2500, you can say that the bears are back, and we can look forward to a move towards 2494. 2484, and if it breaks 2484, just stay short. We are looking forward to 2470, 2450 levels very, very soon. On the upside, I will recommend a buying up at around 2520, 2522 levels, or rather, if you're buying at 2520, be cautious at around 25 24 25 26. The nearest resistance, very strong at 25 25 25 26. Very strong resistance there. So be cautious of the zone between 25 24 26 and then 25 30 32. Till 25 30 32, chances of a reversal will be very high here. Beyond 25 32, just stay bullish for 25 40 and 25 50 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the early charts again. What applies to gold applies here to silver as well. This is the major move. Then this is the retracement. It is still under retracement. It has not come out of the retracement channel despite the breakouts. Yesterday we have seen it getting support at 28, but I can say that it is falling back within the retracement channel. Now it is important to break silver to break beyond 29 levels. Once it stays above 29 20, we can say that the bulls are in action. Else, as long as it stays below 29 20, do not treat this as bullish. Now see what has happened yesterday. After hitting the highs, we have seen a drop, and see similar observation what we have seen here after the drop retracement. Now here after the drop, it is retraced towards the same zone, now trying to move down again. If you look at the formation here as well, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop again, retracement, and drop again. Higher lows, higher highs. Now it has to break below 2870, 2860 zone. Very good support. First support zone, and in fact, even if it breaks below this, you can expect it to move or get support at around 2840. So I'll recommend you to in fact sell at around 2870. When you see the higher prices below 2870, take a selling entry, but then you have to be cautious and alert till towards 2840, 2820, and 283. Major support at least till 2840. Put a 10 cents trailing stop loss, because yes, we have good support at 2860, 50, 40, and below 2840 we have major bearish move which can be expected here. Also remember, after the drop retracement, and once it takes a direction, this is going to be stronger one as well. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. RSI is looking down as well. Coming to on the 2-hour charts here, preceding few candles are important. See, resistance zone is intact here, and see precedingly you can find out here, you will find that the resistance at 29, none of the candles closed above 29. Now it is forming the highs at 2880. None of the candles have closed above 2880. So rather I will say 2890 here. So this zone here is crucial. If silver moves beyond 29 and 2890 and $29 levels, you can say there could be increasing bullishness here. Also, you'll find it getting support at 2870, and that is why I say if you see the higher prices below 2870, take a selling entry. Moving averages here have crossed over. These are trading with divergence and staying bullish. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is in green, and if see, this is the formation here, you can look at This was the major bearish move. Here also drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and then a major retracement, higher lows, retracement. Now it is willing to take a direction. Let it cross over. That will confirm the reversal. RSI has dropped, coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, moving average crossing over here. Good sign for the bulls. But if you look at the formation here, divide this into two, couple of bullish candle, then a pullback. So this current candle could be the bearish one where the prices might move towards 2860, 2850 levels. And if it breaks below 2840, you can say major bearishness will prevail, and then you can look forward to 2820 and lower levels here. Stochastic has fallen from the top. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, look at the preceding two candles, diminishing bullishness here. Prices failed to stay on the upside. A very smaller body is seen, and now it is starting to move on the downside. Once it stays below 2870 and specifically below 2860, I think the chances of reversal will diminish here. If it stays below 2860, then you can look forward to 2840, 2820, and $28 levels, the next milestone for silver for the day. If you also look at the formation, double bottom, higher lows are consistently formed, higher highs are seen. After the drop, this is retracement, and once it comes out of this zone, it is going to bring a stronger bearish move. Stochastic at top, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to daily, if you look at the daily chart, so far the movement is confined within the zone. And if you connect the dots here, drop retracement, and the support zone is intact here at 2760, 2770. And you can also notice that consistently we are observing lower highs, so it has to break out of 29, 29, 20 zone. That will confirm a move towards 29, 50, 60, and beyond that you can look forward to a move towards 30. Also, if you look at the formation here in silver on the daily chart, see it is trading in this bearish channel, drop retracement, and you can observe that it is staying in the flag formation. It is very, very important for it to stay above 30 in order to confirm a major reversal, major breakout for the near term, because this is a nice flag formation, and any move beyond this zone is a critical observation. And as long as it stays in the zone, we have to be. Now look what has happened. So far the drop here was bigger. Retracement, 3 to 4 candles it took to retrace. Moving average is crossing over here, definitely is a sign of bearish. It has greater resistance in between 29, 29, 20 zone. After the retracement, now today's candle will define the next move. Possibly this could take a slump here if it stays below 2840 and $28 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge, RSI is flat. Considering this, very, very simple. A buying opportunity in silver is if you see it is staying above 29 or rather 28.90 itself, but rather wait for $29 levels to be taken in order to stay bullish, where you can expect 29, 15, 20 as the first target, or rather you can include 29, 15, 29, 25 as the first target, and then you can look forward to 29, 50, 60 as the next. Beyond that, it is going to move towards $30 levels directly. But I am still skeptical of such a breakout, at least today. And on the downside, I will recommend a sell at 2860 levels. 2870 itself you can sell. When you see the higher prices below 2870, you can take a sell, but 2860, 50, 40 till 40, very, very strong support. Below 40 is where the bearishness will prevail, and then we can look forward to 28, 10, $28 levels as the next targets, which are going to be bigger ones, and below 28 is where the major bearish move will be seen. Take your positions accordingly. Below 28, 27.75, 27.50 are the next targets. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to press a like button before leaving the video. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.